Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I am How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. If you guys have any requests, then don't be afraid to comment in the comment section below. Ever wonder how you would get Windows 10 for free? Or hey, let's say you even want to just update your operating system from a Windows 8 to a Windows 10. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So first we're going to want to go to Google. And from here we're going to want to type out Microsoft Media Tool. Hit enter, and from here we're going to left click on the first link. Make sure that it is the Microsoft.com website. Left click that, and from here we're going to download the tool. We're going to save. This may take a couple of minutes, but for me it just took a second. And from here, we're going to open the file. So we're going to left click on it. And from here, we'll get a question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Or else it will not boot. And I should mention that your USB should be around 8 gigabytes large. 8 to 16 will do the trick. We're going to want to, let's close that. We'll accept that. We're just going to let it run. And from here, you can see we can either update this PC now, or we can create an installation media. So, for this video, for demonstration purposes, I will create installation media. I just put in my USB, 16 gigabyte. And from here, you can see what they recommend. You can also change it if you want. Well, we'll just stick to what Microsoft recommends and see that the USB flash drive should be at least 8 gigabytes large, big. We're going to hit next, pick that, and that's basically it. And then it'll start downloading, and you are done. It'll be processing. And then from there, of course, once this process is all done, you can turn your computer off. And then as you turn it on, you'll have to go into the setup, the boot setup section. It's usually either F8 or F2, really depends on your computer. It could be something else as well. Really just depends on your computer and what make, model, etc. But that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. I am How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.